What is going on, guys? Today in this video we have a trade recap to do. I took this trade not that long ago. Took it when I woke up from sleeping, got on the charts, had my coffee, saw this setup happening, and I hopped in it and I won. Really simple trade. This was all done on the 5-minute time frame. Whoa, okay, there's that going off. Sorry about that. But yes, this was all done on the 5-minute time frame. I know, shocker, right? I didn't use any higher time frame bias. There's no need to. I don't need to do that. I love to just stick on 1 or 2 time frames and that's it. I don't base my trades off the higher time frame. I'm scalping. Why do I have to base my trade on a daily time frame when I'm scalping on the 5-minute? Or why would I have to base my 5-minute trades off of the 4-hour? I get in and out of the markets. It's as simple as that. People love to make trading a lot more complicated than what it needs to be, and I just don't understand it. Like, we've all been there. I've been there. I used to do multi-time frame analysis, but that always confused the living hell out of me, and I don't do it anymore. I do what works for me, and that is just sticking to 1 time frame or 2 time frames actually, because I trade the 5-minute and the 15-minute. But if I'm on the 15-minute, I only base the trades on the 15-minute. If I'm on the 5-minute, I then only base the trades off the 5-minute and 5-minute structure. That's all there is to it. Anyways, so I took this buy, and now you may be thinking, why did I take this buy? Because if you look over here, price was obviously going down. Well, the reason as to why I took this buy was because, well, let's just put it like this. The downtrend has ended, and now price turned bullish. Pretty much it. So we were in a downtrend all throughout here, right? Price was making lower lows and lower highs all in this area. The reason why I said we broke out of a downtrend is because for even price to start an uptrend, it has to break the high that made the low. And what happened here? Price was going down, found support, bounced up, made resistance, broke this support zone, came back down, found support, came all the way back up, breaking this last high. So I marked this out. I waited for the break. I didn't know price was going to break above here. I just had this marked out just in case. Because when I got on the chart, price was around in this area right over here. Price was around here when I woke up. So I didn't know price was going to break above this. I just had it marked out just in case. So I just waited for price to break out, which it did right here. It swept past the zone pretty clearly. Price then came back down into my zone. This is, once price came into my zone here, this is where I zoomed in and I was monitoring price action. I was looking closely to where I could get an entry. And my entry, I don't have a set pattern I enter off of. All I do is just wait and see if price is bouncing away. If price is bouncing away, I'll then enter the trade. So I entered around, I didn't enter here, I didn't enter here, I entered around off the close of this third rejection candle. So we had 3 rejection candles. That is more than enough for me to hop in this trade, because we see sellers were trying to come in and push price past this zone to continue down lower, but that couldn't happen. The sellers were too weak. The buyer stepped in and they pushed price all the way back up, leaving this huge wick here, and I did that multiple times. So that was my reason as to why I entered the trade. And my stop loss, I had it all the way down here. I don't want to have my stop loss so close to the zone where price were to come down, it can just tab me out and reverse back up. I've had that happen to me way too many times, and I just got sick of it. So what did I do? I just have my stop loss a decent amount away from the zone and call it a day. And then I move my target to a 1-to-1, whatever that is. In this case, it was 8.2 pips. So I did that. I let the trade run, and ultimately it hit my take profit. And that was the trade. It's just as simple as that. You don't need to make trading so complicated. I know people do, and I know people will just continue doing that until they learn what's best for them. But hey man, you do you. That was the only trade I took for the day. I'm done trading for the rest of the day. My thing is, if I win one trade to start off for the day, I'm done. I don't take any more trades. If I lose the first trade of the day, I then have one more trade to take. And if I lose that trade, if I lose the second trade, then I completely just stop trading for that current day and wait until the next day comes along, and then I can enter trades if there are any trades. So that's pretty much it, guys. I know this is really simple, really short video, but I just wanted to give you the little trade recap on my trade that I took this morning, and I hope that's it. Or I hope that's it. I don't know why I said that. I hope you guys have a great, wonderful day. I hope you made some profits today, and if you didn't, that's okay. There's always tomorrow. You got this whole week ahead of you to make profits. Just don't overanalyze stuff. Stick to your plan. Have strict risk management, and you'll be good. All right, guys. I'll see you inside the next video.